Listen exercise, page 22. Page 22. Listen to the dialogue between Penny and her old mother. Then answer the questions in the book. Hello, Mom. How are you today?
Sorry, I can't hear what you say.
Oh, Mom, it's me, Penny.
Hello, love. It's nice of you to come and see me.
It's Saturday today. I always come and visit you on Saturdays.
Oh, I forgot it was Saturday. How's my little grandson? Is he with you?
No, Mom. He likes to play football on Saturdays. He says it's boring to come here with me. He wants to be with his friends instead.
Yes, I can understand him. I can remember when you were his age. You liked to be with your friends when you were free from school.
Mom, I've got some cheese and fruit for you.
Peas? I don't like peas.
No, Mom, cheese. I've got some cheddar cheese for you. I know you like it. And I bought some bananas for you.
Oh, thank you, love. You know how much I like bananas. I can remember during the war, I never saw fruit like that. All the fruit we got, we grew ourselves in the garden.
But please don't bring that up again, Mom. Every time I come here, you talk about how hard it was to feed the family. Times are different now.
Yes, I know. But nowadays, you young people just don't know how to cook. All you eat is that fast food stuff. Now, when I was your age,